Did you say zone focusing? This is the Canadian version of Stonehenge, guys, right here in Vancouver. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, and today we're gonna hit downtown together to practice some street photography with zone focusing with our Leica Q2. How does it work? It's very easy because thanks to peak focusing and the magnification inside the EVF, we are able to see all the elements that are in focus at the same time thanks to the broad depth of field, f8 to f11, and the peak focusing because all of them are marked with red. So if you're ready, let's go rolling. So as you could see, it's very easy. You just need to go around and find interesting subjects and study the framing that you want to have and the composition. So maybe the zone focusing indulges you to do some more fishing rather than hunting because you have the magnification in there. It requires a bit more time. But we set the shutter speed to 1/500 of a second. The f aperture is f8 to f11, and then auto ISO and manual zone focusing. Very, very easy. So I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the new videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.